velociraptor, you said, Steven. It would be fun, Steven. Now
leave him alone. He is baby. Okay, well, if you're fighting him too.
Tiny kittens, zero fear, just screaming at danger. Bros ready for the ring. With all those fur balls wanting the spotlight, you can tell how great.
Bro, this nigga sleeping like he owned the place. Yo. Sorry.
I had to take home because somebody dropped it off.
Percy.
Little kitty must have never heard about a bad trip before. Love at first sight is a... Neverland, flying very high. Even a traveler suddenly finding an oasis would only get this By far the two most patient cats I have seen today.
Huh? Are you okay?
We got some catnip for our cat.
Reason why those catnip makers will never go bankrupt. That's why you should have you homies beside.
Catnip does not control me. I control Catnip.
Clearly, he's not going to be happy if that's all he's getting to. Sure, it calmed his soul, but, well, the body is another story.
Just saying that not all kids forget fast. Be careful.
Не понял.
No weird scene, as the world through any kittens filter has so many. You okay? Bro, stop, it's just a tag. Is the brown cat fearless, or is the orange cat just insanely patient? Cats tease others when they're free and well. They're never busy. The size gap means nothing here. A soldier takes any kind of challenge.
Come on. Tell me do it for fun.
These silly cats can't even realize that there's no thing, but it should never be with Catnip. Quite lots of material here to make a documentary about Catnip. The perfect way to keep your cat in one place. Yeah, cats should touch grass frequently, just definitely not like this. Zoomies mode as daily things is truly crazy. Might be the most normal cat since the start. Funny how Catnip turns them into the friendliest creatures, like instantly.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
No matter how many brain cells he's using, it's clearly not enough. This house is about to get loud. Two little warriors since day one. Check if your neighbor has a dog. They might be besties. Once a cat turns on its hyper mode, even science can't explain. You want to fight, huh? Next time.
Oh, scary.
Kitten.exe file not found at the moment.
I put a collar on him.
Add some intense piece of music and you'll have a drama. Wow, all those dramatic moves over 2 fingers. Another reason to stay neat, cats never return what they think is theirs. Ugh, why is this so... Oh, it worked that way. Cool.
Alright, let's see what she does.
Oh my god!
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Can you guess what's in head right now? Bet that's anything but reality. Like Peter Pan on his...
You have.
Yes.
Oh my god, what is that?
Oh!
A proper amount of catnip and size. Add some creepy music, and this could be a horror short.
Tingnan mga parat. Huli na kayo. Ayan na.
Treat is officially outdated. This is how you can